the fresh gears on. Few things to do. Snorkel, airbox, get rid of that. And also got the new fuel tank over here with the new big external fuel pump. So you'll hear me coming from a mile away. Gonna get that in, gonna set up a lot higher, a lot nicer, better departure angle because the current one sits way too low. It looks like shit. Hey, heads up. Yeah. Get rid of that one. New one in. Bigger fuel pump, more power, bigger air intake. Gonna go. He's doing me full 4-inch through the whole way, so we're not gonna have any starvation or anything. And we'll look to chuck on a Cray uni filter if we can. I have to ask Brad first, make sure it's alright. Get one of these bad balls on. So we supply these. Thinking about using the 140 uni filter. We have this on our website, so if you want to grab one, go ahead. Cray supply us in, so it's a bunch of buggers. Probably even got their logo on it, so we'll get that on, and hopefully that's alright. Maybe we don't tell Brad. Are you mad? You might get mad. Or we'll crack into it. Still getting some shit done, but yeah, doing a little bit of wiring, gonna fix up some earths. Yeah, we're done. The lads have come to help on the freaking fuel tank. How good. Josh Watts here. Got the knee in there. You're not even helping, you having beers, mate. Oh yeah. Look at this. I'll hold that, bro.
Hold my nuts.
Get this fuel tank out, get the new one sitting in, mocked up. Do some wiring, bada bing, bada boom. Running by the end of the day, eh?
Yeah, it should be done.
Easy. Got the freaking fuel tank out. That went really smoothly, no problems whatsoever.
Putting the new fuel tank in.
The new fuel tank. Get these fuel lines in there.
There's not 20 litres on the floor either.
Nah, we didn't waste any. Not a drop was spilt. You can smell the camera right now, eh?
I think the fucking fuel's getting more pissed than the fucking.
So next time someone asks me what lift kit I got in, I'm just going to direct you to this link right here. It's not a lift kit. It's a full custom setup, alright? I haven't got fucking lift blocks or fucking body mount lifts.
He's got the new RC.
And trust me,
upgrades.
don't ask me what it cost me either, because you won't want to do it after I tell you.
It cost me 3 boxes.
A few boxes. Just 4-inch body. 4-inch body lift. How's the exhaust though? Oh, we put it upside down.
4-inch body lift, toilet spaces.
I was thinking of doing a IFS conversion on it.
Yeah, extended shackles in the front.
Extended shackles.
Wound up torsion bars.
Leaf springs. See, like, look, even my custom handbrake system, look at that.
For my people in the front, in the noise plate section. This is for the headsets, live in the mix. My people in the front, oh, confidence bell. Banners in the box, stop for the pitch. Hilltop, hood, so up in this bitch. So we're the punk leaders, pump, you can't beat. You bump and pump me, so drop your chomps leaders up. Jump with the stamp the front. It was a supply guard driver, count your trunk. So we're the the audience asked me what, but I didn't know how my predicament grew. But now I got friends and I think.
So we're back at the shed today. Beno managed to get the snorkel on. It's looking pretty good. Got his signature BC logo. Looking nice. Get the fuel tank in, we got that all running. Fuel sender's still playing up a bit, so I have to go recheck my wiring. But couldn't even see the diff before. Swear to God, set so low. But today's topic, while we're here, is why we are ripping out this pretty much near new Fox suspension. And one of the main issues I'm having with it is because it's tuned so specifically that it's going to cost me probably 200 to 300 a corner to get retuned, but then it may not be good on the road. It's already quite sloppy on the road for what it is. Hope, well, it's actually really good if any cops are watching. Anyway, so what did we go get? We got the team at XGG, and after about, I think, 30 days, which was really good because those Foxes, I got the fronts in 3 months and I got the rears in 6. So we're waiting quite a while for those shocks. But here we have the XGG. These guys do a lot of cool testing in Dubai. So up here, compression, filters, and they've got a rebound switch down here. These are fully on the fly tunable. So 24 stages on each rebound and compression dial, which I've only really ever seen 8 to 10, which is quite low in the grand scheme of things, but I don't know. I reckon he's going to do wonders. Plus, they're also a 2.5, not a 2.0, and like just looking at the build quality, it's pretty outrageous. Like you look at the top hats for the springs, like how thick that is. It's got a lock screw, and how thick that is. The Foxes only have like 2 lock screws, pretty much. So quite thin. I reckon the fronts are going to go on quite easy, but the rears, they're going to be a mish. Because I think we should have measured a bit more. We sort of just on the fly. We're like, nah, we'll sort it out when it gets here. Don't regrets, because you can see how close that 2.0 is already to the diff. And these are a 2.5, so they got 100 mil outside OD compared to the 75 mil OD. Which I reckon in here they'll be fine. Like there's heaps of room, either side, all around, down. You know. So front should bolt in quite easy. Which this is the front. This is the 12-inch. Have to set the height and everything, but yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. Get them in, some jumping done, test her out. It's gonna be mean, wicked looking truck.